Hey guys, listen to no one. Today we're opening Team of the Season packs. So I could probably might get Rooney, might get Danny, might get Cahill, might get Gay. I might get any of them. I'm not bothered what anyone I get. I just want to get a Team of the Season card. Let's get straight into them. So we're gonna go with, it can go with special packs, all the gold ones in the gold packs. So I've got 1,575 FIFA points to spend on them. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with all them because I am literally. We should probably go with the gold packs first because we got 10 of them. So we'll open one quick. This is one. Oh, I'm not gonna look. It's open. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm literally scared. No, I like the art design of them. They look way cool. Like, beast. The design of them like that, they're way cool. I'm not looking. It's taking a while, this. Why is it taking such a long time? Something wrong with the service today? I only went looking before. Oh god, I'm not looking. Please. Come on. What do we get? Oh my god. Seriously? Seriously? Contracts? That's what you give me? Seriously, EA? It is a Team of the Season. Seriously? You mad? Oh my god. They're so mad. Oh god. Come on. Why is it taking so long? I could be getting, some people could be getting players and I'm like stuck here with this terrible pack. If you like Galaxy, please eat a piece. Oh, wait for it. Come on, hurry up. Thank you. Oh, what the hell? I just hit him for? No, joking. If I quick sell this pack and I got a Team of the Season, I'm so mad. Costa. Oh god, that's amazing. I'm so happy. Are you? No, I'm not happy. I'm still out of the way. Right. I'm gonna open one of them. I want to leak one. So we'll open another one of these. Right. Oh. So I'll do a quick one. This one I'm gonna skip. If I skip it, I'll leave it. Might skip it. I'm literally scared. I might go out of the room. 1, 2, 3. Skip. Seriously? EA. You are terrible. What is wrong? I need a Team of the Season. Oh, I'll keep that. I need a Team of the Season. What is wrong? What is wrong with you? What is wrong? Is something wrong with me today or something? Or can I not get a Team of the Seasons? Fucking shit pack. What a crap pack. Sorry, but it's terrible though. I'm scrapping that. We're gonna go on to the bad boys. Go on bad boys. Seriously, I've had enough of this pack. Oh, look out for it. Right. Fuck it, we're gonna do it. So scared. Come on. Give me a Team of the Season. You are the world's greatest thing in the entire world. All depends on it. Seriously, come on. Oh my god, seriously? Why? What the hell? This is shit. It's absolutely shit. A brick. This is I don't see why not open the last part because it's just gonna be probably crap player. This is such a waste of time. Seriously, guys. I don't know why I'm opening these when I can get. Right, fuck all that. Fuck that. Fuck that. I'm doing the big one. This might be the last one. This might be the shortest video I've ever done. Because these are fucking pissed off I am. Right. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm just gonna look for this. I'm not looking. Come on. I'm so scared. Who did we get? Oh my god. Absolutely. What? Yeah, seriously. Twat. Fucking twat. Absolutely twats. Fuck you. You seriously tried to take the piss, aren't you? Obviously taking the piss. Thank you. Bastard. You're so bastard. You're such an idiot. God. Blew it. Great. Thank you. Seriously, I'm selling my players. I have nothing. Rodgers, obviously, I might sell Rodgers because that Mourinho. What the fuck? Fuck off. Fuck off. Then, Guzman. Sorry, Brendan. I had to get rid of you. Because I need your coin, so what's your point? What is your point? No, these are crap. Seriously, I hate these packs. I hate these. Oh, it's 3 items. So dicks. Seriously. Master, don't give one. I don't like you. And if you not like chemistry tiles. Seriously, they take the piss, EA. I don't give one 25% Saki Mega. I don't give one. I just do not give one. Do I give a shit? No. I'm so close to guessing 15. If I don't get anything good with 15,000. Oh, look at this. I love these. Not today. Right, 15. I'll have 45 coins after this. Oh, this is ridiculous. Oh, God. This is so bad. I don't see why I bothered to do this, because I am an absolute need for doing this. Right, I'll open a terrible pack and get nothing, probably fuck off, and then open nothing. So yeah, that probably it is an effective video, but yes. See, why is it so slow? I could have got a good player. If I didn't know that stupid free or football, good job I didn't do it on my freaking PlayStation when I got those free packs, because I probably got that now. How are they? Oh. No. No, I want to kill you, EA. I'm gonna kill you at the end of this. Let's just open a bronze one. Open a bronze team in the season pack, and I'll have 103 points left. And I'll get nothing with that. Seriously, I'll get nothing. Watch me, guys. I don't want to get I can get two silver ones and get nothing. Come on. Why does it take so long, dear? Why? What is wrong with your servers? Seriously. What the fuck is wrong with you? If you don't give me a good player, I'll smash this TV. Seriously. Come on. See the ball, the freaking things are going. We're loading this. Let's give him a bad player. Let's give him a terrible player. And we get, yeah, it's obvious. So it's an Arsenal player. Oh wow. Fuck you, Arsenal. We're gonna win the league. Yeah, I was just not regret packs. Well, obviously it weren't going to be anyway. It's a freaking bronze pack, for Christ's sake. You never get good stuff in bronze packs. It's very rare you get a freaking inform, but you just bought him off the EA. I'll give you this for, yeah, what is it? Seriously, that fucking thing is annoying me. That little thing just goes, oh, that's just a magic finger. Oh, look at this, I took my PlayStation. You like that, you like that, you like that. I don't give it. Sorry. It's just irritating though, seriously. What? 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 Oh, sorry, the 50. Sorry, I didn't know. I'll have to open these terrible ones. I'll get nothing in them because they're not Team of the Season packs. Let's just open some boring silver packs. Yay! Yay! Let's do this! Yeah! On the ball, that thing little spinning down there again. Oh. Watch this. Oh my god! Team of the freaking season! Oh shit, I'll do Team of the Season. Team of the Season. And we get 88 pace. Oh god, he's fast. He's fast. Trust Mourinho. He's Portugal. I don't give one about the Portuguese players. I do not like them. Don't like Portuguese players. Can I seriously break this TV? Seriously, this is annoying me. Oh yeah, guys, I'm changing my room actually. I'm getting I'm getting a designer to come. So yeah, I'm gonna have TVs, two plasma screens on the wall, one here and one over there. So it's for my YouTube, literally. But yeah. Oh wait, did I get anyone? I thought I just saw a Team of the Season, but I didn't. So yeah, I'm just mad about that. I got 648. Seriously, you piss me off, EA. I bet you be getting pissed off with EA because they aren't giving you good players. If you didn't open, you're stupid. Seriously, because there's no point wasting your money on this. Seriously, freaking crap. I just don't see what is the point of wasting your money on it. Sorry, FIFA packs. Even coins, they're worse. Because they give you world terrible players. What the hell? We went. Terrible players, and it just went. Oh my god. 85. I just went. Counted the ball and I just went straight away. I messed it down like that. It came on the back and I was like, God, no. Sorry, I didn't mean to. I forgot to show you that part. Sorry. But I got no one in it anyway, so you don't want to see it anyway. But we're gonna have to go with the big one now. Let's end the video after this. Oh my god, I'm so pissed. Are you really sure about this, Matthew? No, I'm not fucking sure about this. 15,000 FIFA coins. I'm gonna go under the freaking table. I'm going under the table. Right, we're under the table, guys. Come on, give me a good player here. Why? Please, 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 please. Who do we get? Who do we get? Oh, fuck. Oh, twats. What the fuck is wrong? If you can't give me a single team of the... Oh. They're trying to piss me off. They give... Oh, left mid to left wing. I might keep that. That's the only thing I'm keeping. And maybe them, because they're just decent. Because I can't believe that. You kidding me? Seriously, guys, I hate this game. Hate this game. Oh my god. Seriously, look at that. 4 and... I got no Team of the Seasons out of them. That is just crap. That is crap. Wait, I can open these packs, can't I? These bronze ones. Only 1,500, so that's not bad. I'm okay now. I'm chilled. But if this video ends, guys, yeah, I'm sorry, it just doesn't take that long to do the videos. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. So please leave a like.